So I wanted to do a quick down and dirty comparison video / review of this Insta360 remote microphone. Recently picked one up. A little bit of background, I ride on the track, motorcycles on the track quite a bit, and I'm always looking for decent footage and audio. I recently picked up the Ace Pro 2 because GoPro just wasn't doing it for me anymore. I'd bought a bunch of GoPros over the years. They kind of sucked, to be honest. They never really worked out really well for me. So stopped being a fan. Picked up the Ace Pro 2. It's a little bit bigger, a little bit heavier, but I like it a lot more. If you throw an ND filter on this guy and you get the settings sorted, there's a ton of videos on YouTube do that. You can get really good motion blur, really good video. So good quality stuff right there. But what I found happening to me was that anytime I get out from behind the windscreen, I'd be overwhelmed by wind noise. Couldn't really hear the exhaust very well anyways, or the bike in general, so kind of lacked that feel. So I decided to give it a shot, try one of these Insta360 remote mics. So I removed the clip off the back, added some Velcro, and I mounted it underneath the rear fender, kind of couple inches behind the shock, and pointed the actual microphone on it, diagonally away from the exhaust, because I was a little concerned with how loud that thing could be, just blowing out the audio. So anyways, super easy to connect this thing. It connects via Bluetooth. You just go ahead and turn the camera on. Then you go ahead and just press and hold the power button on this thing for 2 seconds. It'll vibrate, and then it'll light up. Right there. There you go. You can enable multiple of these mics all at the same time, so you could throw one in your helmet if you wanted and have one on the bike so you can speak and stuff like that. Moto vlogging's kind of lame, but yeah, if that's your thing, go for it. Not my thing. So let me go. Yep. So you go like that into that menu, then you just go over to the Bluetooth, and it'll be Bluetooth headphones and microphones. You'll come in once this thing's turned on. I think you hold this button. This thing ends up flashing. It connects like normal Bluetooth, so mine was previously connected, so it auto connects now, which is rad, and bang, it's connected right there. And you'll be able to tell as well when you have the display on. You'll be able to see this bar here, and that's just me talking, the audio coming from it. So far, so good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play a video clip with and without this. We'll go without first so you can see how it sounds, just the camera, and then we'll go with on the second clip, and you can see how it sounds with this new remote microphone. I'm happy. I like it. It's kind of expensive. I think it was like $90, but everything's expensive nowadays. So anyways, first clip without the mic, second clip with. So enjoy.